Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Right, today we have a double socket with USB, and we have your ordinary everyday Joe on the wall. Now, this is also one of them screwless, I think that's what they call them, so you don't see the screw. When you buy it, it's all together just like that. That bit comes off the back end of the casing, and this bit is attached to, let's get it the right way around, to here. All right, now the way you release that is there, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's where these 4 points come through. All right, so what you got to do is basically it goes through just like that, and you got to get a screwdriver or something in there and just gently prise it through. You will see which way to prise it as it goes on, comes off. So if I get my screwdriver and I get in there, then I'll just prise it. Watch my screwdriver, just twist it between there. Get your fingers in between if you can at the same time to kind of try to prise at the same time. That'll come off. Lift it off and it's off. Okay, now this one I will have to say is what I would call idiot proof. Yeah, you have your green and yellow, you have your blue, and you have your brown. If you look inside of here, we have brown together, we have our green and yellow over there, we have our green and yellow over there, and we have our blue just there. Okay, so what we got to do is straightforward, isn't it? Take the colors out, match the colors up, stick it back on the wall. But before you do any of that, you go and you turn your mains off. What I do, I have one of these little gadgets, yeah? Put it in, switch it on, the light comes on. Put it in, switch it on, the light comes on. Turn the mains off, put it in, switch it on, no light. That is not 100% guaranteed. So what you do, switch your mains power off. That way, everything is dead. If you get killed, you have somebody to blame. It weren't your fault. You switched it off. But you'll be dead. See you later. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there's our socket all done. Sorry about the lighting. Lighting's trying to get on my tits. Anyway, I'm just going to leave it there. Sorry about that. All right. No, that's not good. That looks like CRAP. Let me try this up with this. Hold on. Right, I'm gonna hold the light above it. Yeah, there it is. There's our socket. We've put it on, and it's all working fine at the moment. All right, so if we hold that there. Oh, that's better. All right, now this is my test light I was saying it to you before. My switch is off. Put my test light in. Well, not really a test light, I just call it that. Switch it on. No light. Put my hand over the sensor and I have light. Alright. Switch it off. My hand over the sensor. No light. Pull that out. Try the other socket. Oh, come on. Plug it in. Then we have light. You see it? Switch it off. We have no light. Switch it on. We have light. Yeah. Now, once you've done all your tests and checked everything, USB cable. So we plug that in. Get our phone, which I'm using at the moment, so I'm going to plug it in it anyway. And see, it changes. See the little bits come up on the side? No, you wouldn't, would you? Because that's my screen. So I know that's working. Next one, put it in there. Put it in my phone. And again, the symbol comes up to show me if it's charging. Now, we do all our checks and tests before we completely box it up. Because if it is dodgy, we have to take it back to the shop. If you take your casing off and the wiring behind there is short, you ain't got enough slack or whatever, you need more advice. I didn't show you that bit because I don't want you to burn your ass on and say it's my fault. But basically, that's what you need to do. Brown to brown, yellow and green to yellow and green. I'm looking for the cover, which I can't find at the moment. Okay, here it is. Excuse me. There's your cover. Give me some space. Yeah, let's put that on. There's your bits. They just slide in. To get this off, I don't know how you get it off when it's on there. You probably just have to get something behind it and prise it off. Yeah, but that goes on there. That goes on there. Gently press. Good as go. Good to go. There you go. Another job done. Okay, so from Tradespeople's Tips, thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much for watching. And remember, don't rip people off if you're the one doing it. And for people, there you are. That's some idea of how it's done. So when you come and you go, you know he's gonna do you. Later.